Hey everyone, my name is Sherry, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the gear that I've purchased for my motorcycle. Don't mind that pump, I was just filling up my tires. For reference, today is May 18th, 2023. Sentinels have a chance to qualify for playoffs, but that's irrelevant. Something I want to mention beforehand is that all of my gear is from Amazon. The reason why is because the return process is just so much easier, right? Like if I got the wrong size gloves, right? If I got it from a store in the US, or something online such as Partzilla, Fortnite, those other stores, the return process, I don't know what it is, right? Whereas I know for Amazon, it's very straightforward. I just select the return options online, and then there's a store just like a few minutes away from me. I just go drop it off there, and then boom, done. I essentially use Amazon for the convenience, but also because it had very good reviews for a lot of these products. So this is an ILM full face motorcycle helmet. It's pretty good. It's DOT certified, but then again, DOT certifications are the bare minimum. I know that there's higher certifications, so it's pretty comfortable on the head. The size I got is a medium, and I followed the sizing charts that were available on Amazon, and it turned out pretty good. So the helmet also comes with a second tinted visor, which is pretty nice, but if I'm being honest, I'm probably never going to put this on because I tried taking off the older, regular, like the other visor and putting this one on, and it took me forever to do it. It might just be a skill issue, to be honest, but like it was just so annoying that I'm not interested in putting this on anymore if I have to go through that again. But it's still cool to have. Maybe you're better than me putting it on, so it could work out better for you. There's also this like neck scarf that you can zip on to the helmet, which is pretty nice. I haven't tried it yet because I normally don't ride it when it's cold, because you know in Canada it's essentially cold 12 months of the year, so, which sucks. The only thing is that it also interferes with the chin strap mount, which I got, which sucks. I probably won't be trying it on if I have to take off the chin strap mount. I think it's appropriate that we move on to the camera mount. So this is a SUREWO chin strap mount, and I think it's pretty good because it's like the easiest one by far to install to your helmet, right? There's other ones where you can kind of stick something to the side or in the middle, and you know it's kind of stuck there forever. And I didn't really like I tried a couple of those, and I didn't really like the positioning. So you know, with Amazon's beauty, I can just return it and no problems for me. This one turned out to be pretty good in my opinion. All it came with was the strap, the place where I can place the helmet right here. I'm sorry, not the helmet, the camera, as well as, I don't know what these things are called, but I know they're pretty universal for these kind of cameras. So it came with a few more of these. Let's move on to my camera. The hell? Man, the hell? Ah, there we go. Cool transition. It's pretty good. It has 4K features, but then it's only 30 FPS. It does have very good 1080p 60 FPS recording, so I've used that a lot. The only thing is that the audio on this sucks, so it makes my bike sound like it's like farting or something. It's pretty easy to get the videos off of it. They give you the wire, so you just put that into your computer, and then you can just transfer the videos like that. I have a micro SD card, just 64 GB, which is good enough. Pretty good. Next up, we got my boots. I think it's pronounced SCOYCO motorcycle boots. They're pretty good. I used these during my MSF course. So these were approved. If anyone needs any kind of reassurance, yes, you should be able to use these during the course. Obviously, you should confirm with your instructor beforehand. You know, I made sure to check all of my gear out with the instructors before I went for the course. Yeah, these are pretty good. They're steel-toed up here. They're pretty lightweight as well. They're very fortified around the ankles too, which is very important. That's something they look for in the MSF course, but also something you should look for in general. At first, I did have trouble wearing these and riding because, you know, they're pretty thick. So I couldn't get a good feel for where my foot is on the rear brake or the gear shifter, etc. But now, after more experience and after wearing them a bit more, I've gotten a lot more comfortable. It's really just a matter of, you know, how much experience you have riding a motorcycle as well as wearing these type of boots. I haven't worn these much in my life. So, you know, getting used to feeling where my foot is inside them while they're pretty thick was something to, you know, take into account. But yeah, they're pretty good. I would recommend these. Next up, we got my gloves. So, hey, where did the other one go? Oh, there it is. Sorry. The brand is called WTACTFUL. I'm not trying to say like W Riz or anything, please. They're called WTACTFUL Tactical Gloves. They don't really have the best wrist protection. They have good layers on the palm. They're still pretty comfortable overall. These are size medium as well. Yeah, these are pretty good too. All right, last is my jacket. Yeah, I just put it there because I didn't want to hold it. It would have been really messy. Yeah, this is an HWK motorcycle jacket. It's pretty good. It has plates on the shoulders. Oh, sorry, the shoulders, the elbows, the back over here. Well, that's pretty standard. It's pretty lightweight, but also makes me feel very safe. Like it's pretty thick and it's made out of good material, I'd say. It has some tightening straps on the sides as well as the wrist for when after you put on your gloves and whatnot. Has several pockets, which I actually use a lot when riding. If I have pants on that don't have a zip, then I put my phone in here and it's pretty secure. It also has a thermal layer on the inside, which you can take off, which I have taken off. I'd say overall, it's a pretty good jacket. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them down. I'll be more than happy to answer. And have a good day.